Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove chlorine stains from clothes. It's important to understand that chlorine doesn't actually stain your garments like dirt or food. Instead, it's a powerful chemical that strips away the dye from the fabric, leaving behind a bleached spot. This means we can't simply clean the mark away. Our focus will be on restoring the lost color or making the faded area less noticeable, which can be a bit tricky, but definitely worth trying for your favorite items. When you notice a chlorine mark, immediate action is key. First, rinse the affected area thoroughly under cold running water to dilute any lingering chlorine and stop further damage. Next, you'll want to neutralize the chemical. Mix about 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a little water to form a thick paste. Apply this paste directly onto the bleached spot, covering it completely. Let it dry fully, then gently brush away the residue. This helps to halt the bleaching process. For colored clothes, restoring the lost color requires a bit of finesse. For small spots, you can try using rubbing alcohol. Dip a cotton swab in alcohol and gently dab the area, moving from the outside of the bleached spot inward. This can help pull some of the surrounding dye into the faded area. For larger or more prominent marks, re-dyeing the entire garment with a fabric dye that closely matches the original color is often the best solution. Remember to always test any product on a hidden spot first. If your white clothes have yellowed from chlorine, hydrogen peroxide can help. Soak the item in a solution of 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 10 parts cold water for about 30 minutes, then wash as usual. To prevent future marks, always rinse your swimwear and any clothes exposed to pool water with cold, fresh water immediately after use. Also, remember to never pour concentrated chlorine bleach directly onto fabrics. Always dilute it properly according to product instructions to protect your garments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.